Hello, ni hao, I'm Chef Tom. Welcome to my restaurant, Latin Blue Pro. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sushi that you can make it at home. So first, the most important thing you need to do is you need the vinyl glove. Because the rice will stick on your hand. Glove will protect it. And the next thing, here's some vegetable cooking oil, just a little bit, a few drops. So, this is this nori, dry seaweed nori. The rough side up is where you fill the rice on the top. The smooth side is not as thick as the rough side. We want to make sure the rice can stick on the sushi. Here's the sushi rice. It's not jasmine rice, a long grain rice, or 5 minutes rice. This is a short grain or medium grain rice. If you want to learn how to cook the rice, go to my channel, How to Make Rice. See now, you see, the rice not sticking in your hand. Get in the right amount. Ready? Apply the rice on the nori and you use all your finger, push up the rice and pour down the rice. And then here, I use my hand, my palm, block the rice, give them a nice press. This is like 90% of the rice that you need. Add a little more. The idea is you want to make sure the four corners of the nori fill with right amount of the rice. I don't suggest you put too much rice. Maybe 3 layers of the rice is good enough. That's probably like, I would say, quarter cup of the rice, cooked sushi rice. Look at this. This is a short grain and the medium grain rice. So if you like the rice that have some flavor, usually they have this ingredient at the store. They call sushi rice seasoning. They have like kabu, seaweed, dashi, and apple cider sugar. They mix it together and give them an extra flavor. Okay, now you can nicely flip over. We have some cut cucumber, English cucumber. 1, 2, and then avocado. Split it in half first. Twist it. Looking for the butter knife, but it's okay. Pause it.
And go.
Okay, so avocado, use the butter knife, scrape it like that. Much easier. The avocado I suggest is like ripe. So if you get something that hard and green, and you might want to leave it out at the room temperature indoor for maybe 2 to 3 days until they soften. Or you may put it in the like a paper bag. Usually some sort of accent in the bag, and that will create this faster for the avocado to ripe. So you can add as much as avocado that you like. So this so far so pretty. And here we got this fish cake. If you have Alaska king crab meat at home, use that. Okay. So basically that's the inside out California roll. So we're gonna roll it over. Just roll over like a burrito. Look, All your finger, a lot of gently finger touch like this. And then we're gonna shape it one time. Get closer, maybe. Shape it one time, but you want to feel it evenly. If this is too chunky, squeeze in a little bit, okay? So basically, it's almost done. And here the corner, watch. Tap it, okay? Like this. So if this sushi, you cut into 8 pieces, they call inside out California roll. Or you can fill anything inside. Asparagus, cucumber, tuna fish, anything you like inside is a filling. Sushi basically is the seaweed nori, dry seaweed nori, sushi rice, and whatever meat, vegetarian or fruit that you like. So now, let's do something fun. We got this beautiful yellowfin tuna, sushi graded tuna. It's special process, just made for sushi. They caught the fish, process it, freeze it in below 26 degrees for at least 3 to 4 days, and then they only defrost one time and use it. Okay, so here we go. We like to cut the meat against the grain. See, here's a beautiful piece, huh? Put it right here. Look at that. Ooh, that's a good yellowfin tuna. Right here. And put this fish right back. You may put tuna on the top, or salmon, any kind of fish that you like. Back into the fridge. Clean as you go. Next thing, we're not gonna cut this sushi right away. We need to apply a saran wrap right here. Over top, okay? And we're gonna reshape the sushi one more time. Some people like to shape it in the square or round, any way you like. And then now, gently open it. So the saran wrap is in touch the sushi. Here's your sushi knife. Sushi knife price range from $120 to a few thousand. And we have like 7-8 pair. They're all pretty good as long as they're sharp. You need sharp sushi knife. Alright, here we go. I split down in the middle. And then quarter. Like this. Okay? Make sure you cut through it. Alright. It's not done yet. It's clean. We're gonna reshape it one more time with the saran wrap still attached. Now, gently pull back. Ta-da! Okay? And then, when you have guests come over or your friends come over, that's how you're gonna do it. Split it apart like this. This. Remember I said you need to cut through it, otherwise you have to pull it and then it will disturb the shape. Now we have some pickled ginger. Pickled ginger is really good for you. This one I have to show you at the restaurant. So basically you can get all this thing at home. Just go to a nice quality sushi graded fish. And this wasabi is the real wasabi, not from the tube. It's very strong poke. Love it. Okay. Paige, I'm gonna make this for you.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, so now spicy mayo is a Japanese mayo with sriracha, a pinch of salt. Guess what? Squeeze some lime juice. Ready? Just go over top. You don't want to have too thick, too much of the sauce. You want to balance out. This is a eel sauce. Eel sauce, you probably as know, is not made from fresh eel fish. It basically is teriyaki glaze, lightly. Okay? And then, there's some, voila! Ladies and gentlemen, boy and girl, this is your sushi that you can make at home. Yummy! I'm Chef Tom. Thank you for watching. I see you next time. Bye!